the United States of America. The land of the free consists of 50 states. Over 328 million people reside in America, making it the third most populous country in the world. The U.S. is also the fourth largest country in the world by total area. This vast country is well known across the world and has a cultural imprint that is driven by technological innovation, popular movies, television, and music. From little-known trivia to amazing facts about the land we walk on, these facts about America will blow you away. So, before we go further, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. Number 1. The current flag was designed by a 17-year-old. The current 50-star flag was designed as part of a high school project by 17-year-old Robert Heft. It was 1958, and there were only 48 states at the time. But Heft had a hunch Hawaii and Alaska would soon be granted statehood. His teacher gave him a B, but went on to update the grade to an A after Heft submitted his design to the White House, eventually leading to a call from President Eisenhower that it had been selected as the official U.S. flag. This is one of the facts that will amaze you. Keep it in mind, especially when celebrating Flag Day. Number 2. America doesn't have an official language. Most people assume English is the official language of the United States. But the truth is, although that might be the case in many of the states, the federal government has never declared an official language, not English or anything else. This is one of the 16 history questions everyone always gets wrong. Number 3. The larger freshwater lake of the world is in America. Everyone knows Lake Superior is big, but few people know exactly how large it really is. Not only is Lake Superior the largest freshwater lake in the world, but it holds 3 quadrillion gallons of water. That's enough liquid to completely cover both North and South America under a foot of water. It's no wonder Lake Superior has been the site of so many shipwrecks. Number 4. Women rocket in space. If you were thinking the astronaut who has spent the most time in space was a man, you'd be wrong. That honor belongs to a woman. Astronaut Peggy Whitson has spent the most cumulative time in space. Number 5. Don't stand too close to this volcano. Geologists consider Mount Kilauea in Hawaii to be the most active volcano in the world, because it has been erupting continuously for more than 35 years. The longest period the volcano has been inactive was the 18 years between 1934 and 1952. Number 6. Dinosaurs were loved to live in America. The United States has not only found the most dinosaur fossils, but it also has the most variety. Although the finds have been scattered throughout the country, most of them were in desert areas where vegetation isn't likely to grow and fossils remain more accessible, since they are covered by nothing but sand and rock, as opposed to trees and soil. Let us know in the comments below which fact surprised you. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.